Hello there, El Chip, the baby here. And today I'm gonna show you my stuff that I got for my birthday. So, right here is this blue Jeep. I like the color blue. Anyway, I got this balloon, red, yellow, blue, green, orange, basic colors. Also have Bonnie and Rip Off Baby. I already have them. I got party hat. I got these tennis rackets. Let's see if I can do this. Okay. 3, 2. Okay. Let me just try. 3, 2. 3, 2, 1. Come on. Oh, what? Oh, point. I also got these M&Ms. Another party hat. And me. Look at that. It's me. I am gonna review it later. Today, I think. I also got a phone. You know what that means. A new channel. Boom, new channel. Yep. I don't know what I'm gonna name my channel yet. There is gonna be some flooding where I am because it's raining so much outside. Oh. It's not actually raining, but there's thunder. Yeah, I'm gonna make a new channel. I'm gonna make a video about me, El Chip, the Beaver. And also, Freddy sent me this, which is just a cartoon me. It says there, "Happy birthday. Hope it's mucho terrifico." So yeah, Freddy just gave me this just for fun. So yeah, it's pretty good. I like my cartoon self. Gonna make a new channel. Gonna review this later. I love you, me. Goodbye.